Hello. My first unboxing of undeliverable mail was so unpopular that I decided to do it again. So today I got ooh, ooh, another 10-pound box of undeliverable mail that I'm going to share opening with you. So the first one we have is this one. First thing I notice is the name and address of the recipients not even darkened out. So I'm not going to reveal that name because if he's watching, that's not good. But anyway, so let me open this stolen mail. And what do we have in here? Oh, well, it's nothing that the original recipient is going to miss much. It looks like it's a mini HDMI cable adapter as a plug there. So that's no biggie. This package says, well, it may be backwards, but it says thank you. And oddly enough, it says thank you, but there is no label on it. So that could have been a reason why it was undeliverable. I mean, it's the best reason I can think of. Let's see. I know you can't see me struggle with this, but here we go. Let's see what's in here. It is, please simply shake it before use. I don't know what this is. It's something that has it's a sequin type of thing. I don't know. Maybe it opens up to that rose. But I can't take the time right now because we've got 10 pounds of this to open. Oh, now this is not in any box, and it happens to be a set of 2 4-pocket mesh laundry organizers. So these would be the bags that you put your delicates in before you throw them in the washer. So there are 4 of them. I do have another little piece of undeliverable mail here that, well, it does have, again, a person's name and address on it, so we'll keep that a secret. And inside, it looks like we have a bracelet, and it looks like a necklace in there. A bracelet and a necklace. So on we go to another package. And again, there's really no address on that address label. I'm beginning to see a pattern here. So let's open this up and see what we have inside of here. Well, what we have, well, this is interesting. I'm not sure. What do we have here? I really don't know. If anybody out there knows what this might be, kind of looks like a circuit board maybe, but I don't know. I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work. So I don't know what that's all about, but whatever it's all about, there are 2 of them along with this. This is not in a package. Carefully pull circular support open so that you can attach long center clip to center a plant. So it does have something to do, obviously, with a plant. Just kind of going to give you an overview because I don't want to bore you too much. And, oh, it looks like what we have here are paper bags that into which you put something, and then you can use the stickers that say handmade with love. Handmade with love. Well, I'm trying to think what I could really put in there. But anyway, oh, this looks nice, and this says Vintage Atomic Stars Retro Floor Mat for Home. So, this is a floor mat. I don't know whether it is a bathroom mat or what, but it is a floor mat, and it says it's 39 by 20 inches. Moving right along. Well, I don't really know what this is, so yes, I am going to have to open this bag, and it's a bag within a bag, and it is some type of bag inside this plastic bag. Oh, and it sure makes a lot of noise. And then we also have a quad body exerciser. Yes, indeed, a quad body exerciser. This is something that I have always wanted. I have always wanted because I do have a quad body. And here we have, here we have a hot and cold joint rack. Well, I can certainly use this, and I think it's interesting that they put it in right next to the quad body exerciser. So they kind of fit right together. And we have, these are just long strands, long strands of whatever you call that. But anyway, whatever you call that, there are two of them. Next, we have a Crystal Sisters plate with stand. Now I've seen this before because I got one of these before, and it is a plate with a stand that you give to your sister, and the engraving on it tells you that they are the best sister ever. Which is good for me because I don't even have a sister. Here we have something that is from MSR Imports, no editing on this, from Pensacola, New Jersey. So what did... Oh dear. Well, I'll show this kind of quickly. You see, I don't think I really have any comment to contribute to that. And then we have a little, is it leopard type of wallet for women. We have a black coin purse. Let's see what else. Notice these are all open stuff. We have a forehead thermometer. These things were very expensive in 2020, and now, well, they're trying to give them away. We have a scrubber. Well, now, who can't use a scrubber? This is really a nice scrubber. And what else? Oh, this is it's like a patent leather little coin purse. I don't want to open it just because, but there are two in one. Oh, no. Oh, well, there's another coin purse. And I can tell, without opening it, that there are no coins inside. Coins not included. Here we have a whole pack of page protectors with pockets that you would put sports cards in, Pokemon cards, and then you could put them in a binder. What else do we have here? Oh, this is to hold, you know those little mosquito repellent things that look like a snake? Well, there are two holders in here for them where you can hang it and put that snaky thing on it when you're outside. That's the best description I can give. This says, unhappy with a big frowny face. Well, I don't know if I want to open something that already tells me it's unhappy. So let's see. I'm unhappy because I can't get the thing open. Well, let's take a look. Come on. Oh, well, I like the container it's in. It's not an unhappy container. I am just not sure what this stuff would be used for. I really don't have any idea, and at this point in the video, kind of concerned what it might be. You can comment if you know what it is, but whatever it is, I have had no experience in this area. There are a lot of things in here. We have 2 packages of chamomile skin rejuvenating hair removal cream. 2 packs of it. 2 packs of it. Well, my hair is removing itself, so if any women want this, let me know. Oh, and we have 2 of something else. We have two makeup brush cleaners. 2 makeup brush cleaners. Yippee! Because, you know, makeup brushes can get pretty cruddy. And we have, things are coming in 2s now. We have 2 hair color waxes. Hair color wax. I'm just kind of speechless, to tell you the truth. Oh, and we have the twin to the other scrubber. So we have 2 scrubbers. Speaking of 2s, we have another little leopard coin purse, ID purse, whatever. But everybody should have a leopard something. And what do we have here? We have a, oh yes, we have a soap dish a soap dish holder. Well, it's really a soap dish, but you mount it to your bathtub or shower, and then there is a plastic soap dish that fits in the top here. And see, there's the mounting part of it that you would put on your tub or shower to hold your soap. It even comes with the glue. How fortunate I am. So that's that. And we're down to the, I think, yeah, we're down to the last, oh, and this is a package. Once again, a package that does not have the name and address, obscured. Oh, this is probably the treasure of the whole box because this is the last item in the box. It is It says it passed quality control. I'm not sure how it passed quality control, but I guess after it passed quality control, maybe it kind of got banged up in the non-delivery process. Now, I am going to take the time, because this is the last item, I am going to take the time to open this, because I think it's important. It's an important way to end this unboxing. Oh, oh, oh my gosh, isn't this kind of snazzy? It is. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, I don't know what, there's something that comes with it, and this looks like it's a gold swan. See, I told you, the best was yet to come, but I have to, I can't get this open, folks, and I'm not going to stop the video. No, just not going to. I will cut my hand before I stop this video. Oh, look! These, it's a little itsy bitsy spoon holder. Now, this may come as a surprise, but I'm not a party person, so I'm not sure. It's very cute, but I'm not I mean, on camera, these spoons look actually bigger than what they are. They are tiny spoons, maybe to stir tea. I don't know. But I can use this. It'll just sit there and it will stare at me, and I won't feel like I'm alone. So out of the whole box, I think this might be my favorite. And I know it's sad. It's very sad. But that's it for this unboxing. Oh, I don't even know how to end this, but other than to say thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next unboxing, because the treasures are yet to come. I had to come back and show you a new part of my wardrobe now. Look at this. I didn't know what it was, but it is a snazzy scarf, and the free gift is an iron-on patch. I mean, I don't know what you iron it onto, but look at this. It really spruces, it even makes this scarf more sprucier. But anyway, I had to come back and tell you what this is. I am ecstatic. But I gotta tell you, these sequins hurt my neck.